got this bacon from Walmart, and it's a Sam choice. It's ultra cured turkey bacon, dark turkey meat, chopped and formed. This is what it looks like, y'all. It looks like this, and it's delicious. I love this over the other bacon I was getting. Like our president said, the other man, the other store that I got. Now the other, you could use that, and you have to call their names. So you could just say the other product or the other person or the other. But I like this other over the other brand, and it is fabulous. It's really good, and I fry it up, and look how thin it is, and it's really, really good. And you can really taste the hickory in this bacon. And I want you to try it, y'all. It's called Uncured. It's a Sam Choice now. It's at Walmart, and it's delicious. You see, I got about 3 pieces left because this is good. It's not artificially tasty. It's more of a bacon hickory taste. They can put black pepper on it and make it taste extra good. This is Sandra until you have it eaten. And try this, y'all. I'm not getting paid by them. I just wanted y'all to know when something is good, okay? That's all it's all about. So put black pepper on it, coarse black pepper, and fry it, and man, it's delicious. I love it. Okay, guys, this is what they look like, y'all. Look at that. Ain't they beautiful? I add some black pepper to them, and they are crispy and delicious. Look at the black pepper on them, y'all. That is what I call a wonderful turkey bacon. You can put it on BLT. You can make a sandwich with the hamburger and turkey bacon sandwich out of these beautiful monstrosities, y'all. It is the Sam Choice Uncured Turkey Bacon, turkey, dark meat, chopped and formed, and it's delicious. And I showed y'all. Ain't it beautiful? This is Sandra. Until you have it, eat it and try this. You'll love it.